So guys, this is our first monsoon trip with Sulu's nature farm. So this is our stay for few days. So this is the entrance with this old school type of a gate. It looks nice. And this is our villa. So this is some sort of a lawn over here. So we came here in the monsoon, so the climate is also nice. So this is our entire villa. See the look around. And this is a lobby, the entrance lobby. So this is the entrance, looks like this. And there's some stuff. You can see the entrance gate from here. So this is the main entrance. So open it for you. So, given shoe rack also. This is the main entrance. See guys. So this is the living area. See, it's huge. They gave us some play. See, this is the living attached like with your dining, and the main attraction is, we'll send you. See, this is the traditional things they put here. You can see up over there. The old radio is there. Some toys are there, wooden toys. And this is the sitting. And then little it's some vintage type of a construction over here, but it looks very amazing. So this is our first bedroom. So guys, this is 3 BHK villa. You can see mirror here, wardrobe, lights, natural wind. See, this is the bed given. Again, this is this mirror. The buttons are also old school, which looks really nice. This is the wash basin. See the concept. See guys. Then we are going towards the second bedroom. Oh, before that I'll show you the kitchen, which is attached to this. The kitchen is also nice guys. See. It looks really nice. And here we have a second bedroom. See, it's quite similar to the first. They given mirror like wardrobe. This washroom is here, it's also the same. Now the last bedroom. This is the third bedroom. So this is the last bedroom over here. You can see the stuff like this. It's also old school type. It looks nice actually. I'll try to switch it on for you guys. So this is the thing. This is the mirror again. I'll show you something. So on this window you can see the entrance also. The entrance is here. And main is this villa having a swimming pool also. So I'll show you. I guess this is not the thing. I'll show you the villa. The backyard we are going to see. So this is again the washroom. These buckets are also like the same. The fittings, they have geyser also. And again this is the wash basin. See the concept, guys. See this. Now now we are going towards the back. And guys, we entered from here, so that took, see, wow. And this is the backyard. See guys, this pool, they're having a swimming pool also. And see the beauty. Terrace up there. See the beauty, guys. See the beauty. This is for kids swimming. The Sulu's farm, you can see. Some play area given there for kids. If you are coming with your kids, so you can enjoy here. But again, we came here in a rainy season, so it's so dinner table is given here, and the Buddha statue is there. Okay, fine guys, thank you so much for watching. Yep.